Hello, we are Luz, Kelly, Oriol, and Júlia, and we are going to explain the bioplastics and why is it good for the future of elements.
In 1976, the British company Imperial Chemical Industries created the first product of bioplastic, and in 1983, biopol was introduced as the first fully biodegradable plastic.
The principal material is a starch that is a natural polymer made by wheat, potatoes, and corn.
Biodegradable plastics can also be produced using biopolymers, which are molecules often found in living organisms such as cellulose and proteins.
Advantages of the bioplastic.
That they are produced with materials we can harvest from the land, and the plastic takes between 6 years and months, depending on the fabrication.
The product will degrade more quickly. The reduction in the use of fossil fuels and the faster decomposition. They are less toxic and don't contain bisphenol that is found in contaminating plastic.
The disadvantages are that bioplastics won't biodegrade in landfill. For example, they only biodegrade with some kind of solution, like water. Bioplastics encourage people to litter more. As they are announced as biodegradable, people think it's okay to throw them wherever.
Bioplastics are not the answer to marine litter, since it takes space and resources to grow these materials. Is a problem for the climate change.
Different types of synthetic biodegradable plastics. First, we have PBS. PBS is commonly used to create bottles, trays, and different types of packaging solutions. PES is an hydrophilic material often used in the elementary and pharmaceutical industries. PBAT has good heat resistance and it characterizes for its flexibility and its transparency. PCl is very resistant and can be molded once it has been heated in boiling water. TPS is plastic made from a mixture of polyesters and starch from different plants. We also have different types of organic biodegradable plastics. First, we have PLA, which is derived from lactic acid and it's made with raw materials and it's absolutely renewable for the making of cooking tools as molds or trays. PHA is created from the bacterial fermentation of vegetable raw materials and it's often used for the making of bottle caps and plastic bags. Then we have starch-based bioplastics, and as they are more fragile than the other bioplastics, their great advantage is that they will degrade more quickly. We keep in mind that they are water soluble, so they cannot be used for many things. Cellulose-based bioplastics, they are more rigid and they have very high resistance. They are intended for the making of labels or caps.
The conclusion. Our conclusion is that we introduced bioplastic bags and bioplastic cutlery and more. Since we changed this material in these products, environmental future is looking better. Factories and companies are growing fond of these materials, so that's why we think bioplastics are imprescriptible for the future.